Every dataset has a story, and I turn those stories into impact. Hi, I'm Anamna Raisa. I am a data scientist with over 4 years of experience with the intersection of analysis, machine learning, and data engineering. My passion is transforming the raw data into intelligent products, whether it can be a dashboard, predictive model, or a cutting edge LLM, and also agentic AI RAG system, and then wrapping those solutions into a full stack production grade application which has front end, back end, and cloud deployments. In other words, I don't just build models, I build complete systems that users can actually experience and trust. I have a master's degree in data science from UMBC and a bachelor degree in computer science. I am certified AWS architect and also a Tableau dashboard specialist. Over the years, I have shipped solutions that make measurable impact. At Kenhal Consulting, I built a context-aware AI assistant using Azure OpenAI and LangChain, indexing thousands of documents with a 95% retrieval hit rate. At Cognizant, I developed NLP pipelines that reduced the churn by 15% and interactive dashboards that boosted the data-driven decision by 30%. And in my academic research work at UMBC, I engineered Tableau dashboards that help students and staff make 15% faster career decisions and co-authored few of the research papers. And beyond the work, I deployed production-ready projects like Insight AI, a research-grade interview platform analysis, and a Support Genie AI, a agentic AI RAG-powered assistant for international students, and some other projects that include Alzheimer's disease diagnosis using the CNN, Uber NYC for hire vehicle analysis. My toolkit spans with Python, SQL, cloud platforms like AWS and Azure. With my strengths in LLM, MLOps, dashboards, and a scalable data pipelines, I actually like to share with what I learned through blogs and open source projects. I have led teams to win the Smart India Hackathon, earned top honors at NASA Space Apps Challenge, and contributed to AI research that's shaping how large language models are evaluated today. Beyond building products, I also share what I learn on my Medium articles. I write about everything from the foundation of AI, convolutional math, to practical guides on AWS, Tableau, and also Python libraries. These articles are my way of making complex topics simple while a small token of gratitude giving back to the data science community. For me, data science isn't just about models or dashboards. It's about creating end-to-end systems, sharing knowledge, and driving measurable impact. I would like you to dive deep, explore my projects, research, and blogs on my site, and let's connect if you're interested in building something more impactful together. Thank you.